National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Partyville to 8 miles northeast of DeForest, moving north at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Columbus, Partyville, Fall River, Rio, Cambria, Waukeena, Otsego, Friesland, and Doylestown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm warning